Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are going to learn about the life of Adele. This will be a simple and easy to understand biography. Perfect for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. The story of Adele. Adele Laurie Blue Adkins, known professionally as Adele, was born on May 5, 1988, in Tottenham, a neighborhood in North London, England. She was raised by her mother, Penny Adkins, who was a single parent. Adele's father, Mark Evans, left when she was just a baby, and she was raised without much involvement from him. Growing up in a working-class family, Adele faced many challenges, but she was always surrounded by music and a strong love for singing. From a very young age, Adele showed a deep love for music. Her mother, Penny, was a huge influence on her musical journey, playing music by famous artists like Etta James, Aretha Franklin, and Ella Fitzgerald. These artists, known for their powerful voices, inspired Adele to develop her own unique sound. Adele was drawn to music and began singing in her room at home, creating her own melodies. She would often perform at school events and local competitions, but it was clear to everyone around her that music was more than just a hobby, it was her passion. When Adele was 14 years old, she discovered the power of songwriting. She began writing her own songs as a way to express her emotions, especially about relationships, love, and life. She drew inspiration from her personal experiences, and her music became an outlet for her feelings. While Adele was still in school, she continued to develop her skills as a singer and songwriter. Adele's career began to take off when she attended the prestigious Brit School for Performing Arts in London. The Brit School is famous for training future stars, and Adele's time there was crucial to her development as an artist. At the age of 18, she recorded a demo of her music and uploaded it to MySpace, a social media platform that was very popular at the time. The demo caught the attention of a man named Jonathan Dickens, who was a talent manager. He saw Adele's incredible potential and introduced her to the music label XL Recordings. In 2007, Adele signed with XL Recordings, and soon after, she released her first album, 19. The album was named after her age when she began recording it. 19 was a huge success, and Adele quickly became known for her deep, soulful voice and emotionally charged lyrics. The album included hits like Chasing Pavements and Make You Feel My Love, both of which helped Adele gain a loyal fan base. Chasing Pavements became a massive hit in the UK, and the album earned Adele several award nominations. It was clear that Adele was not just another singer. She was an artist with a unique voice that was able to touch the hearts of listeners. In 2011, Adele released her second album, 21. This album was a game-changer in her career. It became one of the best-selling albums of all time, both in the UK and internationally. 21 included iconic songs like Rolling in the Deep, Someone Like You, and Set Fire to the Rain. These songs were deeply personal, reflecting Adele's experiences with love, heartbreak, and the emotional struggles she faced. Someone Like You, for example, was written after a breakup and expressed feelings of sadness and longing. The song's vulnerability resonated with millions of people around the world who had experienced similar heartbreak. The album 21 was a massive commercial success and earned Adele numerous awards, including 6 Grammy Awards in 2012. She made history by becoming the first artist in history to win all of the big 3 Grammy Awards, Album of the Year, Song of the Year, and Record of the Year, in the same year. She also won awards from the American Music Awards, Billboard Music Awards, and many others. Adele's powerful voice, emotional storytelling, and down-to-earth personality made her one of the most beloved artists in the world. In 2015, Adele released her 3rd album, 25. The album marked a shift in her style as it reflected her life at that time. Adele had gone through significant personal changes. She had become a mother, and she had experienced the challenges of growing older. 25 included the massive hit Hello, a song about regret, forgiveness, and moving on from past relationships. Hello quickly became a worldwide sensation, breaking several records, including the fastest music video to reach 1 billion views on YouTube. 25 was another huge success, and it continued Adele's streak of record-breaking achievements. The album sold millions of copies worldwide and received critical acclaim. Adele won several Grammy Awards for the album, including Album of the Year and Song of the Year for Hello. Once again, she was praised for her ability to connect with her audience through her emotional, heartfelt songs. Despite her success, Adele has always kept her personal life private. She has never been one to seek fame for fame's sake. In interviews, she often speaks about how much she values her privacy and how she prefers to keep her life away from the public eye. She has been known to stay away from social media and rarely makes appearances in the media unless it's related to her music. Adele has always been admired for her down-to-earth, humble nature, and her fans appreciate her authenticity. In 2019, after taking a break from music to focus on her family life, Adele announced that she was working on her 4th album. Fans were eagerly waiting for new music from her, but it took a few more years before Adele finally released her next project. In 2021, Adele released 30, an album that explored themes like divorce, motherhood, and self-reflection. The album's lead single, Easy on Me, was released in October 2021 and quickly became a global hit. 30 was Adele's most personal album yet. It was written during a time of major change in her life, as she went through a difficult divorce and faced the challenges of raising a child. The album's lyrics reflected her emotions and her journey through pain, healing, and self-discovery. Fans and critics praised Adele for her openness and honesty in her music. She was not afraid to share her struggles, and her vulnerability resonated deeply with her listeners. One of the most remarkable things about Adele's career is how she has used her platform to advocate for important social issues. Adele has spoken openly about her struggles with body image, mental health, and self-love. She has used her music to empower her fans, especially women, and encourage them to embrace who they are. Adele's message is clear: it's okay to be imperfect, and it's important to love yourself no matter what. Throughout her career, Adele has become an inspiration to millions of people around the world. She has sold over 120 million records and has won countless awards. Her powerful voice, emotional lyrics, and humble personality have made her one of the most beloved artists of the 21st century. Adele has shown that it is possible to stay true to yourself and still achieve massive success. She has proven that music is not just about popularity, but about connecting with people on a deep, personal level. Adele's career is far from over. With each album, she continues to evolve as an artist and a person. She has shown the world that music is not just about entertaining people. It is about telling stories, sharing emotions, and making a connection. Whether she is singing about love, heartbreak, or personal growth, Adele's music will continue to touch the hearts of listeners for many years to come. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories. Wish you luck.